Hi guys, let's look at the next question. Next question is question number 4. Before we start the next question, let me just quickly revise. Sum of all interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. That's sum of all interior angles. What we also did was sum of all exterior angles taken in order is 360 degree. Done. And the other thing was, if you need to find out the measure of each exterior angle, it'll be 360 upon n. Measure of each interior angle will be n minus 2 into 180 degree upon n. This is for a regular polygon. These are the 4 formula that we talked about. In fact, we talked about one more, which is exterior angle plus interior angle is always 180 degree because they'll make a linear pair. So these are the 5 things that we talked about. Let's look at some questions now. So we are on question number 4. Question 4 says, in a polygon there are 5 right angles. So there are 5 right angles and the remaining angles are 195 degree each. Find the number of sides. So let's calculate the total sum of all angles of this polygon. So let's look at this. Let the polygon have n sides. So polygon have n sides. So sum of all angles of the polygon will be given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is the sum of all angles of the polygon. It says there are 5 right angles. So this is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree will be equal to 5 right angles, which means 5 into 90 degree plus remaining angles are 195 degree each. So each angle measures 195 degree, and how many angles are remaining? So if there are n sides, out of which 5 have been taken here, what number of sides or number of angles remaining is n minus 5. Let's look at this formula again. The total sum of all angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Done. And this is equal to 5 times 90 degree angles because there are 5 right angles, and the remaining angles are 195 each. So how many remaining angles there? Remaining angles are total angles n, out of which 5 are 90, which means this is 190, n minus 5 into 1, n minus 5 into 195. So let's open bracket and see how it works. So it's 180n minus 360 degree is equal to 5 into 9, that's 450 degree plus 195n minus 195 into 5, that's 500, 450, 25, that's 475 would be the, not 475, 975, 975. Let me just do this calculation. I seem to be slightly confused. 25, 45, 47, yeah, 975, correct. So this is 975, and let's solve this question now. Good. So this is 975. Let's look at this now. This would be, let's take negative 360 is here. Let me take plus 975 on this side, and this is minus 450 on this side, plus 975. So I've taken negative 360, 450 on this side and minus 975, and what on this side I have is 195n, and I take 180n on the other side. So minus 180n. So this is basically 15n, and this will be 700, 810, which means 165. So 165, therefore n is equal to 165 upon 15, which is equal to 11. Therefore, the polygon has 11 sides. Done. That's the final answer. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 6. Question number 6 says, 2 angles of an 8-sided polygon are 142 degree and 176 degree. So it's a 8-sided polygon. Okay, and remaining angles are equal to each other. Okay, so sum of all angles, let's figure out. So sum of all angles of an octagon, 8-sided polygon is basically an octagon. will be 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is 8-sided, right? Or 7-sided? 8-sided. So this is 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 180, that's 600. 480, that's 10,080. 1080 degree. That's the sum of all angles of an octagon. It says two angles are 142 degree. So 142 degree plus 176 degree plus remaining angles. How many angles are remaining? 6 angles are remaining. So on all of them are equal. So 6x is equal to 1080 degree. Let's just write an assumption. Let the remaining angles be x degree. So this is the equation. 142 plus 176 plus 6x is equal to 1080. That's 200, 310, 318. So 318 degree plus 6x is equal to 1080, which means 6x is equal to 1080 minus 318. Let's do this calculation. 1080 minus 318. 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 1, 6, 10 minus 3, 7. So that's 762. So 6x is equal to 762 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 762 degree upon 6. So 6 ones are 6. That's 16. 6 twos are 12. That's 42. So that's 127 degree. Therefore, measure of each angle is 127 degree. Done. So basically we will calculate the sum of angles and then see what information is given and try and find the answer. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do would be question number 7. Quite an interesting question. Let's look at it. Question 7 says, in a pentagon ABCDE, AB is parallel to CD. So let's just draw a rough diagram. This is AB, this is CD. Perfect. Angle something or ratio. So let's just complete this rough diagram. So this side is parallel to this side, and let's join this. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. Perfect. So in pentagon ABCD, AB is parallel to BC. Done. Angle AED are in the ratio 3x, 4x, and 5x. So A is 3x, E is 4x, and 4x not 45, and this is 5x. Perfect. So these three angles are given. The measure of these two angles not given. So what would be the measure of these angles? But they have given us that this is a parallel side. So if AB and CD are parallel, what does it make BC? Yes, it makes it a transversal. And what does it make angle B and angle C? Yes, angle B and angle C are co-interior angles, and we know that the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Perfect. So the sum of these two angles is 180. Let's try and find the solution now. So answer. Since AB parallel to CD, therefore BC is a transversal, which means, so this is my point number 1, which means angle ABC plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. This is sum of co-interior angles. Right? So the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Next we said let angle A is equal to 3x, angle E is equal to 4x, and angle D is equal to 5x, because the ratio is given as 3, 4, 5. So let them be in the ratio 3, 4, 5x. So sum of all angles of a pentagon would be, we've already done this enough number of times, is 540 degree, but it is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is 3 into 180, which is 540 degree. So now B and C equal 180. So what we have is 180 degree plus the remaining three are 3x, 4x plus 5x. They equal to 540 degree. So let's do this calculation. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12x. 12x is equal to 540 degree minus 180 degree, which means 12x is equal to 360 degree, 360, yeah, that's fine, and x is equal to 30 degree. Let's see what we have to calculate. Find angle E. So angle E is equal to 4 in x, which is 4 into 30 degree is equal to 120 degree. So angle E is equal to 120 degree. Interesting question here. They wanted us to apply property of co-interior angle as well. Good. Let's look at the next question. The next question is question number 8. Question number 8 says AB, BC, CD are three consecutive sides of a regular polygon. So point to note is it's a regular polygon, which means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. If angle BAC is equal to 15, find each interior angle, each exterior angle and number of sides. So let's look at this. Let's draw a rough diagram to understand. So this is AB, this is BC, this is CD. How many sides? We don't know, but I have just drawn a rough diagram. Angle A, and so not angle, side AB, BC and CD. These are three consecutive sides of a regular, which means AB, BC and CD are equal. Done. Angle BAC, so let me just join A and C, is equal to 15 degree. So then we need to find each interior angle. So what does it make triangle ABC? Well, yes, triangle ABC now is an isosceles triangle because BC and AB are equal, which means the base angles, which means this angle will also be 15 degree and the sum of these three angles will be 180, which means 15 plus 50, that's 30. So this angle will be 150 degree. And this is the what should I say? This is the interior angle of the polygon. So interior angle of the polygon is 150 degree. Perfect. So I think we've got the solution. Let's try and write this down. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC, sides of a regular polygon. Perfect. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles and angle BAC is equal to angle BCA is equal to 15 degree. So 15 degree plus 15 degree plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property. Sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180 degree, which means angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 30, which is 150 degree. So that's my first part. This is each interior angle. So that's the first part done. Next, each exterior angle. I remember, let's draw an exterior angle here. So let's draw an exterior angle. Let's say we are moving from here to here. We know that this angle and this angle will make 180 degree. Why? Because this is a linear pair. So since exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degree, therefore exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 30 degree. So that's the second part of the question. Each exterior angle is 30 degree. So each interior angle done, each exterior angle done. Let's look at part 3. Part 3 says number of sides. So we remember the formula. Measure of each exterior angle is 360 degree upon n. So in this case, it'll be n will be equal to number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon each exterior angle, which means n will be equal to 360 degree upon 30 degree is equal to 12. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 12. I hope you remember this formula. We've done two formula for each exterior angle. So measure of each exterior angle. One was 360 upon n, and then the other was n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Perfect. This is for the interior angle, this is for the exterior angle. We could have used either formula because we knew the measure of interior angle as well, but we decided to use the other one. Good. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do would be question number 10. Let's look at question number 10. Question number 10 says difference between exterior angle of n minus 1 sided regular polygon and an exterior angle of n plus 2 sided regular polygon is 6 degree. Find n. Let's try and make an equation. So this is exterior angle of n minus 1 sided regular polygon. So each exterior angle would be equal to 360 degree upon number of sides, in this case n minus 1. So that's the first equation. This is exterior angle of n minus 1. In this case it is n minus 1. Perfect. For second case, each exterior angle will be equal to 360 degree upon how many sides? N plus 2. So upon n plus 2. That's my equation 2. They say difference between these two is 6 degree. So which one should I subtract from? Should I subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1? So that will depend on which is the bigger number. So that will depend on which is the smaller numerator. Since the smaller denominator, since the numerator is equal, which means the bigger number will be the number which has a lesser denominator. In this case, n minus 1 is less than n plus 2, which means 360 degree upon n minus 1 is more than 360 degree upon n plus 2. So as per the question, it is 360 degree upon n minus 1 minus 360 degree upon n plus 2 is given equal to 6 degree. Let's see this again. Why am I taking this as the first term? Because I realize that this is 6 degree, which means I am subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number. So the bigger number will be the number, since the numerator is equal, the bigger number will be the number which will have a lesser denominator. Done. Let's take an LCM and let's try and solve this. So the LCM will be n minus 1 times n plus 2, and in the numerator I'll have 360 degree times n plus 2 minus 360 degree times n minus 1, and the right hand side is 6. Let's solve this. This will be 360n plus 720 minus 360n plus 360 is equal to 6 times. I'm cross multiplying, so n minus 1 into n plus 2 would be n square minus n plus 2n minus 2. So this is 360n and 360n gets cancelled, and this is 720 plus 360, that's 1080 is equal to 6 times. This is n square minus n plus 2n, that's plus n minus 2. 6 is common on both sides, so let's just subtract it or divide both sides by 6. So that's 6 1. This will be 6 1s are, that's 48. So 6 8s are, so this is it. So this is n square plus n minus 2 minus 180 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic, so n square plus n minus 182 is equal to 0. Now I need to find factors of negative 182, the sum of which should be plus 1. So let's try and find 182. I'll start with 2. This is 9 1. Next would be 7 7 13. I think I've got my answer. 14 into 13 would give me 182, and 14 would be positive. Okay, so this is n square minus 13n plus 14n minus 182 is equal to 0. Let's group them together. N times n minus 13 plus 14 times n minus 13 is equal to 0. N minus 13 times n plus 14 is equal to 0, which means n minus 13 is equal to 0, or n plus 14 is equal to 0, which means n is equal to 13 or n is equal to negative 14. Since number of sides of a polygon can't be negative. Polygon can't be negative, therefore n is equal to 13. That's what they wanted us to calculate, and we've done that. Good. Let's look at the last question from this exercise that we'll do, and that'll finish this exercise for us. Let's look at that question. Question is question number 11. It says two alternate sides of a regular polygon when produced meet at a right angle. Okay, measure of each exterior angle and number of sides. Let's just draw a rough diagram. Let's say I'm looking at a rough diagram. So this is two alternate sides of a regular polygon. Let me just redraw this, make it slightly more clear. Perfect. So this is a regular polygon that I have, this, and yeah, this is my third side. So when I extend this and I extend alternate side, they meet at 90 degree. Two alternate sides, this side and this side are equal, and two alternate sides. So this is alternate side, when produced meet at right angle. Perfect. A measure of each exterior angle. So we need to calculate this angle as well as this angle. Since this is a regular polygon, which means this angle and this angle will be equal. So let's just write that down. Since the polygon is regular, therefore measure of each exterior angle will be equal. So each exterior angle will be equal. Let each exterior angle be x degree. So I've taken measure of each exterior angle as x degree, and let's see what do we get. So let's name them A, B and C. So in triangle ABC, this is x, and this is 90 degree. So x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, which means 2x is equal to 90 degree, which means x is equal to 45 degree. So they want us to calculate measure of each exterior angle, therefore each exterior angle is equal to 45 degree. Done. That's the first part of the question which we've solved. Done. Next, number of sides. So we know number of sides is given by 360 degree, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon n, which means n is equal to 360 degree upon each exterior angle. In this case, 360 degree upon 45 degree, which means this is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 8. So let's move. That finishes this exercise for me. Let's look at the homework question. Homework questions for you would be question number 3, question 5 and question 9. Before I leave, let's just highlight and let's just revise the formula that we have. Sum of all interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Some people also write this as 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. This is for any polygon. Next was sum of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Whatever kind of polygon, this is for angles taken in exterior angle taken in order. And the third was interior angle plus exterior angle. One interior angle plus one exterior angle will always be equal to 180 degree because they form a linear pair. Next is for regular polygon. For regular polygon, we have each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree upon n, and for exterior angle will be each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon n. This is for a special type of a polygon, which is a regular polygon. Perfect. So these two formula are valid only for a regular polygon, and the remaining three are valid for all types of polygon. Perfect. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video.